Are you tired of sending hundreds of emails and Instagram DMs to land that first client for video editing? As an editor, I know how hard it is to get clients, but let me tell you, it is not that complicated. Today, I am going to show you how you can get premium clients as a video editor without spending hours in front of your laptop. Let me share this 5-step roadmap, and by the end of this video, you will have a clear idea on how to land your first client. So let's get started. Step number 1, editing ability. As the name suggests, you must have the ability to make eye-catching edits and grab people's attention and make them watch the video for a longer time. This doesn't include only motion graphics, but also storytelling, sound designs, animations, effects, and so on. Now the question is how to make eye-catching edits or how to get good at editing. The answer is simple: practice. Yeah, there is no shortcut nor any easy way to get good at editing. The only way is to keep practicing and keep learning things every single day. But around 60% of the editors, they just practice for 2 to 3 weeks and never try to upskill themselves. And they start to pitch the client without complete knowledge. And then they complain about not getting clients. I am sure that most of you fall under this 60% category. If you are really serious about editing, then I advise you to start practicing every day and give yourself 3 to 6 months and learn as much as you can in this time frame. But learning editing alone won't help you to get clients. There are still a few more steps you must follow in order to land a client. Now let's move on to the next step. Step number 2, build your portfolio. Once you get enough confidence on your editing skills, you must start reaching out to clients. But before that, you must build your portfolio. And the biggest mistake most editors do, including myself in the past, was sending the drive link as a portfolio. This isn't 2016 anymore. These drive links don't impress the clients. In fact, it gives a negative opinion about you and the client thinks you are just a beginner. Let me tell you about my story. In the beginning, even I too was sending drive link as my portfolio, and due to that, many clients used to leave my message on seen. After getting ignored by 20 to 30 clients, I have decided that I must create a professional looking portfolio. So I started searching on YouTube and finally created this portfolio using Canva. Yes, you can create a good-looking portfolio using Canva. Then I started to pitch with my portfolio and it worked out. My response rate went from 2% to 50 to 55%, and most of the clients really liked my work and offered me to work with them. Some of my clients are Shruti Rajput, Anchal Tiwari, Innerlink, and I even got a chance to work with Ishan Sharma, but due to some reasons we couldn't proceed forward. But the thing is, all of these was possible only because of my good editing skills and a professional looking portfolio. Implement these 2 steps and you are already halfway there. But making a professional portfolio and keeping it for yourself will not make you land any clients. To land a client, you must approach the clients. Here comes step number 3, start outreaching. You can do this using email, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many more. But as you are just getting started out, I suggest you to use email outreaching. Now you have decided the platform, but how do you approach the clients? For that, first you need to get their email ID. You can get it from their YouTube channel or you can find it in any of their social media accounts. Once you find their email, don't just send a normal message like, hey, I want to work with you. Are you looking for an editor? Can I work with you? Or don't just send the same exact message to all clients by changing their names. If you follow this method, I am 100% sure that you're going to fail and you will never be able to land any high-paying clients. If you want the clients to respond to your email, then you must send them a personalized email. For example, if there are 2 clients, A and B, and if you are sending the same message to both of them, chances are there that they won't even open it because the clients receive hundreds of emails daily. And if you don't personalize it, then they will ignore you like others. So before reaching out to them, first see and analyze their content, point out their mistakes and come up with a solution, and then pitch them their mistakes along with the solution. Let's take the previous example. Consider that client A makes faceless videos, but he is not using motion graphics in his videos. You can pitch them that you can edit high quality videos with motion graphics, which can increase their video retention. And while sending the email, attach your portfolio to showcase your skills. And when the client sees this personalized email, surely he will be impressed and might give you a chance to work with them. At this point, I hope you got at least some idea about client psychology and how you should reach out to them. And if you're watching the video till now, please like the video and consider subscribing for more videos like this. Next comes the most difficult part, where most of the editors hesitate. Step number 4, pricing. Most editors, including myself, are very confused about pricing. Like some editors make hundreds of dollars for a single long form video, while other editors make only 3 to 5,000 rupees even on a bulk order. Why is there so much difference? It's all about how you present yourself and how you position yourself. When the client asks, how much do you charge? Most editors feel if I say high price, then the client may not hire them. So they say a lower price. This will make the client feel you are not confident and you are not positioning yourself correctly. No client wants to work with a guy who has no self-confidence and no self-belief. So always try to quote higher and then negotiate. While quoting a price, don't just say a random number. Try to quote the price based on the type of edit, how much time you need, and how fast you should deliver it. Now let's move to our final step. Step number 5. deliver like a pro. Let's assume you have mastered video editing. You got a killer portfolio and you have landed your first client. But if you don't deliver properly, no client wants to stay with you. When I say deliver like a pro, I mean to deliver fast, because when you deliver the video fast, it gives a positive opinion about you to the client. I know you can't always deliver video fast, but if it's your first video with a client, always deliver it on time or even before the due date. Let me share an incident. When I got my first client, he sent me the raw video and said to deliver it as soon as possible. But back then, I was a bit busy with my college, so I took 10 days to edit a 5-minute video. The client was asking for the video and I was just asking for more time. Finally, after 10 days, I sent the video. He said the output is good, he paid me, and then he blocked me. It was really heartbreaking because he was my first client and he got a negative opinion on me. So I learned a lesson that you should not only make good edits but also deliver it fast. So from then, I am delivering the videos fast. If a client asks how much time you need to deliver the video, always say 1 or 2 days, more than how much it actually takes. For example, if it takes 3 days to deliver a long form video, you can say you need 4 days, but you must deliver the video within 3 days. This will make the client think that you are fast and reliable. I hope now you got a clear idea on how to land your first client, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you're someone who wants to learn video editing, I have uploaded few tutorials on my channel. Do check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.